How to add a pupil. To add a pupil, tap the Add button. This is the round blue button in the bottom right-hand corner shown throughout the app. Tapping the Add button brings up the Quick menu where you can select Pupil. Adding a pupil is quick and easy. Just fill in your pupil's first name, surname and mobile number. Then tap Save. If the Send App Invite toggle is turned on, a free text message will be automatically sent to your pupil with their unique login details to access the app. If you would prefer the pupil to be added to your waiting list, then make sure the Add to Waiting List toggle is also turned on. Pupils in your waiting list can still log into the app, receive messages, and update their availability on still wanting lessons. Under Advanced options, you can also include their home address. Adding their address enables you to receive pick-up and drop-off sat-nav directions from your current location to their home. You can also import pupils from your list of phone contacts. To do so, under the Add Pupil view, tap the Import button at the top of your screen and select the pupil. Their full name, mobile number and address will be automatically imported for you. Once added, you can enter your pupil's details, entering their license number, date of birth, email address and eyesight check, for example. Furthermore, you can also record their availability, marking the days and times your pupil is available when planning future lessons. To access the Pupil app, they will need to agree to your terms and conditions. By doing so, you will receive a message confirming the date and time they agreed to your terms digitally. You can also add pupils through the web admin at www.totaldrive.app.